Hi my friends, today we're going over this RGB fill light or a selfie fill light. Pretty much what you can do with this thing, clip it onto your phone when you have, say you're taking a selfie or you are calling families and friends or whatever, and you need extra lighting. This would be the perfect use for it. As soon as you open the box, we get a little handy dandy instruction manual, and then we will take this out here. So I'm guessing this will be the RGB light. Comes in this little plastic casing here. And here it is. I'm gonna assume this needs charging right off the bat. Oh, not really. Okay, so we have the on-off switch on the very top, and then you can change all the colors and whatnot. It tells you a little electronic thing here. It says that full battery, I assume. But yeah, that just turns it off, turns it on. Modes, and I have a bunch of different modes and whatnot over here. You can see the color spectrum over there. We're gonna check out what else is in the box here. Here is the charging cable for it. It does not need to plug into your phone while in use. And here is the little clip, which you can use to clip onto the end of your phone. It's pretty handy dandy. It's got a little tightening mechanism here in case you need to loosen or tighten it based on how thick your phone is. And then the last thing we have in here is a whole phone holder. So if you need to stretch this out and hold it in place on top of your phone, you can do that with a little mount here as well. So in a second, I'm just going to go over and see how this whole thing works. Alright my friends, so I was able to figure out how this thing works. So it does have the on-off button. You have to hold that down for 3 seconds in order to turn it on or off. So right now it is on. So I'm going to try to show you guys as best as I can in my ability. But pressing the M button on the very top, so it's one right next to the power button, you change between modes on the bottom. And this one's cop car mode, HSI fast, slow, blue flash, and you can go through 20 different kinds of modes on here. We're gonna stick to, let's try candle mode. So this is just straight up like a really cool light actually. If we press the M again, then it changes to a white selfie light, and with this you can adjust how bright and how dim you want the lighting to be. So you just hold down one of the arrows and it customizes, and this ticker goes all the way down to a brightness, and it changes all the colors and hues of the whole light. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.